Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we are going to be installing ISC coilovers on Dylan's Impreza. He got them for Christmas, and so far we just did this side. We did this side just to get them done, so we kind of like knew what we were doing. For the other side that we'll be showing you, so like they're super nice. You can adjust the dampening on them, you can adjust the camber and everything too. So Dylan's not trying to go super slim.
We're gonna have to restart this because we have the music playing.
It doesn't matter.
Really?
If I get copyrighted, it doesn't matter because I'm not monetized anymore.
Oh yeah, shit, never mind.
Hell yeah. Hey, we just got the second rear out.
There it is. Got it?
Hey, yeah, let's go. Now putting it back in is gonna be pretty freaking easy.
Sweet.
Sweet. Damn, they came in these nice bags too.
Those are for the winter time, so salt doesn't get on it.
Dang, that's super nice. Still in the box and everything.
Yep, we got 3 sets.
Oh yeah.
One for the Outback, one for the Legacy, and then one for my car.
Alright guys, so we actually just got done installing all the coilovers. Now all we need to do is just like go around and tighten all the bolts down, torque them down to what they need to be at, and then we just have to mess with like the height of how low he wants it or how high it's gonna be.
But we're gonna go get the summer tires because we're not getting any snow anytime soon.
Yeah,
it's like 50 degrees out right now.
It's the middle of December and it's 50 degrees and we're in the northern part of Illinois. So.
Global warming, eh?
Yeah, for real. So yeah, they're all in. Everything's in. We just need to torque everything down to the spec, and then yeah, we'll be done. And we're gonna pull my car in actually, and then we're going to roll my fenders, measure for what like millimeter spacers I need, and yeah, we're gonna mess around with my coilovers a little bit too. So yeah.
Well, the coilovers are maxed out right now.
Oh, they are. Oh yeah,
That's not too bad at all. That's like a monster truck height.
Completely gutted his entire interior. I'll show you the back. Kind of dark, but everything's out. Everything is out, so it's gonna be super light. And yeah, so it's kind of sick. We had it all mocked up, but Dylan didn't like how high it was, so we're just moving it a little bit lower now.
Yeah, and the so these bolts that are in here are a little bit too tall. We want to put it on the lowest setting, or the lowest it can go, but these bolts are too high, so we're gonna cut those down. And they're scraping on the bottom of this fiberglass right here, if you can see that.
Oh yeah, they are.
It's not good. Yeah. So.
Oh yeah.
Cut those down.
Alright guys, so me and Dylan just cut all the bolts down, so now the seat should be able to fit on the lowest level right now, so we're literally just going to put it back in, and then we'll be done with the driver's side. And then we're going to pull my car in and install the ducktail spoiler, so... Hey.
Alright, so Ryan is getting that last bolt in there. We're tightening it down. I don't know if you can see that. It's right next to the harness there.
Hell yeah.
It's pretty hard to reach down there, but yeah, then after that we're gonna get the harness back in. Let's see. We're actually, so my grandma is really good at like making quilts, and she actually upholstered like some of our furniture in our house. And she's actually gonna diamond stitch some suede inserts for the seats. So that's gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be black suede with some red diamond stitching. Red, that'd be sick. And then we're eventually gonna get a matching suede steering wheel with red suede, or not red suede, black suede with red stitching. That'd be pretty sick.
Alright guys, so the seats are fully in.
You didn't see that.
You can see them in. Alright Dylan, get in there.
Hop in.
He's getting a quick release steering wheel too, just hasn't come in yet. How does it feel? You feel like you're getting in a freaking rocket ship?
Buddy, this is a race car now.
Goofy. Here, I'm gonna close this. So yeah, so me and Dylan are just gonna take the car out for a little bit, and we're just gonna like just drive it and see how he feels, if he likes the seating position or like what's up. But yeah, let's go.
got you.
Alright guys, me and Dylan just got back into the car. He's all strapped up in the new seat. Everything's, we just dropped everything off back at my shop. We were at Dylan's house, but we dropped everything off at his shop, at my shop now.
Yeah.
So all his seats. Yes.
Holy dude, look at the back.
The back is, you can't see shit. The back is just empty.
Nuts.
Yes, completely empty. And it's not even that much louder in here, to be honest. It's not.
I got a new sound system in here too, so we're bumping some tunes, eh? Check that out.
For real. So we'll just meet you guys back at Dylan's
crack
house.
one open for the boys.
Oh yeah, not in real time, not in your time, but in our time right now. It's the 29th and it's TJ Hunt's birthday.
Yep.
So TJ, this one's for you, brother.